I don't know much about design, but she does. Meet mega influencer Farah Merhi, and she is here. We're gonna dive and walk through the show and explore the best that the Miami Home Show has to offer. Farah, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited.
When we're talking about home design, when we're talking about renovating, when we're talking about decorating, there's so many different components. There's products, there's materials, there's functionality, there's textures, there's so much. When you
Innovation?
Look at innovation, technology, it goes on and on and on.
Exactly.
But when you look at home design and decor and the products you work with, what grabs your attention?
I look at functionality, I look at quality, I look at design aesthetic and style, and then I look at budget, of course, as well.
Absolutely.
So all of that encompasses everything that I look for when I am trying to buy products, design a space, or do some type of project in my home.
Absolutely. So we are standing in this outdoor space. It's absolutely stunning.
It is.
But there is so much more to see.
Yes.
So let's go take a walk.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. Let's check it out.
This is so inviting. This just says, let's walk right into this space, right, Adam?
Absolutely. And we're talking about all these different elements. And today, so many people are adding the natural tones,
Yes.
that organic look.
The mixing and matching of the metals, the different
Little bit of glam.
materials, you always need a little bit of glam in your home to elevate your space, make a statement through that glam. But then mixing and matching, because that's one of the questions I always get asked is it okay to mix and match your materials? And I say absolutely, please do, because that is how you create a space that reflects a personality, that reflects what you love, and it also makes a statement that way. So when you're talking about, like mixing the metals and the wood and the glass and the ceramics and the porcelain, go for it.
So here at the Home Show, we're all about turning houses into homes. And when you talk about making your space your own, that's what makes it so special, because here at the Home Show, people might have something in mind for what they're looking for, and then all of a sudden they see this backlit crystal slab, and it's like, then there might...
I have claimed this, by the way. I have claimed this. My husband did tell me, please do not get inspired when you go to this show, because he knows what this means. It means that I'm going to start on a new project, and this has inspired me right here. I love this, and this is what I love about shows like this, is you get to walk them and you get to see new products, and you get to see, meet companies that have come up with products that can, elevate your space and really inspire you for your next project.
And inspiration comes in so many different ways. I mean, we're talking right here, natural stones, which this company, Interstones, they are straight from quarry to your home. So you get
straight from quarry to your home.
Yeah.
That's something to think about, because first of all, it cuts back on your budget.
Right.
It costs less to do that. And you get to really find the right material and veining and finish that you actually really love, that feels personalized to your space.
100%. And the thing is, a lot of people don't understand the business components of how a product gets into your home. Right here, Bertolotto, they're from Italy. They came here for the show.
When you bring in doors that can also add an element of design, like this right here, like a pattern that makes your door stand out, that adds a wow factor, but is your everyday door that we don't think about as much. We don't think about, like, let's pick a door that has a design on it. But once you put it in there, it adds that extra factor to your room, to your space, to your home. And I love this, by the way.
Not to mention the functionality, having a sliding door, having pivot doors. I mean, there's so many different types of mechanisms found in the show.
Yes.
But over here, even, if we're talking about a full wall, having like a wall that is seamless, that goes all the way across, you can be able to do that here. And
yes.
You discover it, you see it firsthand.
Kind of like the hidden pantry that we've been seeing everywhere on social media, right? Where you have your pantry behind your kitchen, and when you have the door closed, it looks like it's just the kitchen. You wouldn't even think there's a pantry there, and then voila,
all of a sudden.
Ta-da! I have loved the concept of the indoor-outdoor furniture, and this is really, what I love about it is that you're bringing in furniture that is for the outdoors that looks like it could be indoors.
Absolutely.
So it's elevating your outdoor space so that not only is it functional where you can sit outside with family and friends and enjoy your outdoors, but it also looks like real furniture.
Exactly.
And it doesn't feel like it's just like, something thrown out together so you can just sit outside.
And when you look at your outdoor space, how do you use your outdoors at home?
I love using my outdoor space in the summertime. You know, I have a college student, she comes back home, we spend quality time together, we get to, you know, spend time as a family enjoying the outdoors, enjoying our backyard, our front yard, and I love that there's so many design elements now that really allows us to do that. You know, this looks like a kitchen.
Absolutely.
From the inside, that can be in your house, but it's actually outside your house. And if you remember, I was talking about storage.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we always think about is storage, and look at all the storage in here. Like, this is crazy. I love this.
And it's all made to last because you have the stainless steel, aluminum products, so that way you can wash it out, you can clean it, but also this is a statement piece. And it comes with a cover.
It comes with a cover, so you can cover this in the wintertime, and then summer, just pull the cover off.
Regardless of where you live, it's meant for everywhere. It's meant to last.
Yes, yes. And then look at the seating area over here. How beautiful is this? Again, you look at this, I honestly thought that I was in an actual indoor kitchen when we first got in here, remember? And then you said, wait, this is outdoors. So this is so pretty. And again, I just love how everything for outdoors is so elevated now that you can't tell the difference between when it's supposed to be for outdoors or indoors.
Right, exactly. No, it's impressive. And how things have evolved in products and even colors that are being implemented into indoors as well as outdoors. I mean, having these statement pieces and not just a barbecue that serves the function of a barbecue, but it is making your home look better. That's incredible. I
mean, the counter on this is just absolutely so beautiful. The fluting, the detailing. It is exactly what every outdoor kitchen, you know, anybody would want is something like this, right?
Absolutely.
It has everything that you need, all the appliances, the design, the functionality, I mean, everything all in one. I want to take this and put it in my backyard.
You might be able to.
Can I?
Yeah, I think so. Before, you were talking about all of the different projects that you've been taking on over the years. You redid your floors, your kitchen.
Yes,
your other
my house is my blank canvas, you guys, and it's like a non-ending project that keeps on going.
Here, when we're talking about flooring, there's a lot. Every brand has what makes them special. But what's unique about this company here, Pianeta Legno, is that they're importing all their material, they import it as a raw material, and they do all the customizing right here in South Florida, but they ship everywhere.
They do, and look at this. When I first saw this, I was like, you know what, the texture, the color, the different color combination, the different shades, the warmth of the floor, I can see this in my home and I can see myself enjoying this. It is so pretty, the wide planks, the long planks. This is exactly what we're looking for when we're doing home improvements, home projects, you know, major ones, especially when you're upgrading your flooring. You want to upgrade to flooring that is durable, that is potentially customizable, but also something that you can enjoy for a long time, because it is an investment. It takes time to change it up, but it also, once you put it in, you want to be able to enjoy it for years to come.
Something in particular that caught my eye when we were talking about this is the fluted glass. You know, that could be traditional, it could be modern, it could be, you know, I mean.
This is a classic design right here. This can be integrated in any style.
Right.
Transitional,
timeless,
modern, it fits any aesthetic. And
this is a hand-stitched leather door.
I love that. I mean,
they actually call this the Birkin door. They do.
Oh, good one. And look at the handle.
Exactly.
I mean, this is
beautiful.
This is perfection. And then the gold detailing. It's all about the details.
Exactly.
It's all about the details. I love the fact that these panels also have lighting in them. So that's
integrated
lighting in there as well. I can feel the strips in there.
Right.
And that in itself, adding wall panels like that, you are getting a focal point right there on your wall. You are adding texture to your wall. At the same time, you're adding warmth through the lighting as well. And you have like this statement wall now that you can enjoy that really, really looks beautiful and makes your design stand out.
Exactly, right. No, this is impressive. And this is just, it's really thin, it's flexible, it's installed easily, but the thing is, like when talking about natural stones, even porcelains, its installation is extremely difficult, it's extremely expensive, where this, you can basically install it with liquid nails.
Yes, and then this also allows you to mix and match all of the different material that you have here. Like you can do this and you could do the natural wood look with the, so it's like your wall is your blank canvas,
Right.
and now you're the artist.
Exactly.
And you are creating art with the different elements and the different finishes of these wall paneling. I love this.
Yeah.
What better way
I'll see you guys.
to make an impression before
Right?
your guests go into the house?
This is one way to
huge.
set the tone. If you want to impress guests, they can just stop at the front door.
Exactly, so beautiful, and the color, the wood, the quality. You can feel the quality of the wood right there.
It's amazing. When was the last time you saw a door like this?
This is the first time, only in Miami.
Only in Miami is right. What other areas of the home would you say are really important to discover what's new or what's out there that most people don't know that exists?
Yeah, I mean, look, I think one of the things that we are seeing now is putting some time and energy in designing your bathroom, for example.
Right.
Primary bathrooms.
Have you ever seen a rose gold shower head?
I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, but here, so can you imagine you're in the shower, you got like the extra special lighting happening while you're taking your shower.
You can change the lighting. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink? All right, so
There you go.
There we
Or
go.
you have, and then on top of that, it's playing music. So you're taking your shower, which is your everyday routine, but it's elevated. It's kind of a way for you to take care of yourself, and a bonus to that as well, right? With
And
the
this is
music
a
playing.
waterfall. We have rain. You have massage. You have massage panels here. I mean,
And the color,
Yeah.
that is just absolutely so beautiful. The brass gold. You're speaking
that's what
my
it's all
language
about.
right here.
But we walked around the show. We discovered products. You got inspired. Your husband might be scared
my
after seeing
husband is begging me to come
Right.
home now at
Yeah.
this point because I'm calling you. I'm like, honey. He's like, please stop. I don't want to hear about it.
Exactly. But I mean, when you look at products and seeing the materials and knowing what is possible,
I mean, look at these windows. I just love the fact that, you have almost like that metallic look from afar. Absolutely so beautiful. The handles are gorgeous, and I want to show you all the different details and all the different colors of handles that you could choose from. And that is what I was talking about when I say it's all in the details.
Right.
It's the little things that elevate the design and make your space feel so much more than so much more elevated, and definitely makes a statement through that as well.
and that's what we're looking to do here. At the show, we're trying to bring together all elements of design. We're trying to inspire people, but we're showing them that building materials don't have to just be stale.
No.
There are things that should add decorative elements to your home to really make your home different from everyone else.
We've definitely come a long ways from that builder grade materials that you could just go to a store and buy. Now you have all these different must-haves that you need for your home that have a special and unique design to them, allowing you to personalize your home and personalize your space to really reflect your style in every single detail that you put in there, from the flooring to the doors, to the windows, to the ceiling, to everything.
We'll walk back out there because when you mentioned ceiling, I have a product that you haven't seen yet.
Okay.
And it will be something that you may have not seen before.
What's that?
All right, so we're gonna go look. This is something that a lot of people have not seen before.
Oh,
and because a lot of people
lighting.
they might have popcorn ceilings, they might have textured ceilings, they want that perfect flat ceiling, but no, they do stretch ceilings. A lot of condos, when you buy a condo, you have a junction box and a concrete ceiling.
Yeah.
How do you get lighting throughout? Well, this company, Velum Design, they specialize in being able to integrate lighting throughout your entire home. This is a membrane, it's a stretch ceiling product that they stretch across. You only lose 3/4 of an inch
Which is
of
not
the
a
height.
lot.
It's not much,
No.
but you can light it however you could want.
I love that.
Have you ever seen this before?
No, I've seen lighting in ceilings, yes, 100%, but not like this.
Have you seen stretch ceilings?
Not stretch ceiling, that's what I'm saying.
See, go like
definitely
this.
not like,
This is the product.
oh, it's literally,
It's literally stretched.
see, you had to do that for me to
Yeah,
understand
exactly.
what you were saying.
No,
What do
yeah.
you mean by stretch ceiling?
No. So it's a membrane that they heat up and they stretch across the entire ceiling so you can do integrated lighting.
No, I've never seen anything like that, actually. No, never mind. take that back.
See, we're
This
trying
is
to
crazy.
inspire
This
you.
is it. I am inspired. Consider me inspired.
So, but going through the home show, we can't thank you enough for being here.
Oh my
we
gosh.
hope that you walked away with products that you would like to integrate, but really walk away with what is possible with home design today.
I absolutely have. Thank you so much for having me. I genuinely can say that I am walking out very much so inspired. I have seen products that I cannot wait to actually include in my home now. And I just love being able to meet everyone and talk to everyone and connect with everyone. This was so much fun.
It's amazing. It was awesome having you. We were on stage, and we have one more day tomorrow, but thank you for being here throughout this walk, throughout speaking on the stage. But for all of you, until next time, make sure, first of all, you follow Farah if you don't already. Get inspired, but visit the next home shows in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Palm Beach. You can follow us at FL Home Shows. Go to our website at homeshows.com, but we can't wait to see you at the next show.